Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Adverb Crypto's account. Watch the video till the end. To sign up for your Adverb Crypto's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Adverb Crypto sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Adverb. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Registration. On the next page, enter your sponsor ID and name, your full name, email ID, your country and phone number as well as your password for Adverb Crypto's account and then click on Sign Up. This is how you can sign up for your Adverb Crypto's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.